Welcome back to Horace's channel. Today I'm gonna do an interesting science experiment both with fire and water. So everyone should know about fire very well. It consumes oxygen from our environment and then turns it into low volume carbon dioxide and water vapor. And as soon as I put this glass on top of the candle, there will be limited oxygen for the fire. And also, you would want to stay tuned here because there's going to be some interesting things later on. Okay, so stay tuned because you're going to see something really, really interesting. Watch! Do you know why does all of this happen? That's because of the air inside the cup used to be hot, but now it cooled down. And cooling makes it low pressure inside, so more water on this plate comes in and fills in the missing space. That's why you saw so many sparkling bubbles like a machine. Hope you enjoyed today's experiment. Bye!